Welcome one, welcome all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Letty here, and I just did this fun makeup look for brunch, and I'm about to head out the door. My hair is doing what it want to do. I might just pull it all the way up so I don't have to deal with it because it's being crazy right now. But if you want to know how to get this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thank you. Guys, welcome back. We're gonna get started into the lip balm. This is the Jack Black lip balm and shea butter. I love this stuff. And then we're gonna go in with our OneSize Secure the Blur primer, and on top of that I love to go in with this Fenty Beauty powder all over my face. This just helps my makeup last longer and it looks like a flawless finish. And then we're going to go in and set that with a setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Me and my big behind fan. I love this fan so much. I got this at one of those little flea market thingies. And then we're going to go in with my favorite concealer. This is the Jouer High Coverage Essential Concealer. I think this is in the shade Amber. If it's not, it's in Coffee, because then I highlight with one or the other. We're gonna blend that out, and we're just doing some color correction right now because, you know, I got some dark marks and under eye circles that need to be, you know, corrected basically. And then this is the lighter concealer that I was talking about earlier. I believe this is in the shade Amber. I really do love this for highlighting under my eyes and just bringing back the light to my face, in the center of my face. I love it the most. And don't mind me talking, guys. This was just me on the phone. And then this is my Morphe contour stick dimension effect in the, I want to say the shade is Pound Effects 18. I'm not sure if they even sell this anymore, to be honest. And before we go in with the foundation, we're just going to blend out the concealer and also the contour, because we're basically going to be doing some underpainting in regards to the foundation. Blend, 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 blend that face. And this is my Jouer contour and highlight stick. We're going in with that contour shade of Sungaze, and we're gonna contour that nose, honey. We're gonna go in with the Jouer High Coverage Essential Foundation in the shade Praline. I'm going to put it on directly on my brush, and then I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. This is going to ensure that your makeup lasts all day. And when I said I was underpainting, meaning I put my concealer and my contour shade on first, and then we're going to put the foundation over it so that it gives the natural subtleties of the face. And then this is the Rare Beauty blush, liquid blush in the shade, I want to say it's Joy or Happy. Now I forgot to show the highlighter color, but I believe it is the Fenty Beauty one in the shade, it's the Kilowatt color. I have to look it up. It's going to be in the description box below. Now y'all know I had to go in with my favorite makeup sponge ever. This is the Eco Tools Plant Me based makeup sponge. I love this sponge. And we're just going to go in and make sure everything is well blended. To set my concealer in my different spaces, we're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Micro Smooth Setting Powder. Man, that's a mouthful. In the shade number 2, and just go into those areas. And then I like to go in and set my entire face with the Fenty Beauty foundation, powder foundation in the shade 410. I love this to set my makeup. Now I like to go in with the OneSize powder, setting powder, and then the Laura Mercier. I like to go in with the OneSize under my eyes and then the Laura Mercier in the middle of my face. I just like the contrast. I just like how everything looks. With my Juvia's Place Eye Prime in the shade 2 to prime our eyes. I like to go in with this Juvia's Place little mini palette and use this mustard pumpkin-y yellow. I don't even know how to say it, but I like this to use as a transition color. Then I realized that yellow was too yellow, so I'm going to go in with this green palette from Dose of Colors. I really love these palettes. Then we're going to go in with the Dose of Colors Pretty Cool palette and take basically every color in here to not only do my lid or put the color all over my lid, but also on the outer corners of my lid. This is a pretty simple eye look. I'm just focusing really on the graphic liner to showcase these liners that is in the Morphe and the Avani Greg palette. Now you're gonna watch me struggle for a while or really focus in on these wing liners, and I really had to get really close to the mirror because I'm like, a wing liner is such an anxiety filled time for me, and I'm sure it's like for everybody, but I did see this trick on Instagram, so I tried it and it actually worked really well. Now I'm not gonna lie, I like the shade of this green graphic liner, but it is a little chalky. It's the bottom row, 2 rows of the Avani Greg palette with Morphe, and you can spray them with like some setting spray and use as a liner, and they never turn out right. No matter what setting spray I use, no matter what I use, it never really turns out right. But I couldn't redo it because I was on my way to brunch and it was gonna be cute regardless because I was gonna wear it with confidence. You hear me? Now we're gonna go in with this MAC liner, this blue liner. Y'all seen me use this blue liner before. I really love it. And then I'm gonna go in with that turquoise type of color in that Avani Greg palette and smoke out that blue liner. And then in the inner corner, we're gonna go in with this Morphe, and it's like a Disney palette I found at TJ Maxx, and this bright green color. I cannot talk. This bright green color, and we're gonna put that in the inner corner of our eyes. I saw a look like this on Pinterest, and I wanted to try it. So, I mean, it came out really cute, but like I said, the eyeliner was kind of chalky. But I did that black liner that you saw is the Melt Cosmetics gel liner in Immortal. They no longer sell it, but they do sell one that's exactly like it. And then we're gonna wipe away all of this powder and get to finishing off the face. I'm gonna zoom out so I can show you what I'm going on to. And then we're gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I wanna say this is dark or deep dark. And wipe away all of the excess so there's no white cast, and it just gives the skin such a nice glow. And I didn't show it on camera, but my bronzer is the Juvia's Place Bronze Palette Duo, and it's in the dark one, and I like to use the top one in that palette. I really love that color. It gives me the nice bronze glow look. And then for the blush, we're using a MAC blush, and like I said, I don't know the name because it's not in front of me right now, but I will put it in the description box below. And always before I put on my highlighter, I like to go in and spray my face with some setting powder or some setting spray, and this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and I am using the Gold is the New Black by Dose of Colors highlighter. I really love this thing. And then we're gonna go in, or I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara, which is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Now, if you don't have this mascara, what are you doing with your life? What are you doing? Because you're missing out on life. For real, for real. Always while my lash glue is drying or getting tacky, I like to go in with my lips. So this is the Morphe color pencil in the shade Trendsetter, and this is the Juvia's Place regular lipstick. I forgot what it's called. Like I said, everything will be listed in the description box. And then this is actually a Juvia's Place lip gloss in the shade It's Glass. And this is the final look. Let me know what you all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And with that being said, it's your girl Letty, and I'm out.